friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. So you want to swipe up, go to your settings guys. From here click on the general management, then the Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll all the way down to where you'll find the swipe, touch and feedback, and here at the word towards the bottom you have Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Now as you can see, mine is disabled and I can toggle it on to the right and it's enabled. Once you enable it, you can tap on it and you can have a bunch of different features. You have a bunch of different options here. You have the Speak Keyboard Input Aloud shortcut that you can enable. You have the characters, word, character and word. You also have the capitalization settings there, which is say do nothing, say capital, change pitch, play sound, and towards the bottom here you have the read, delete, character aloud, and also the phonetic alphabet, right? So this is how you can easily find it and modify whichever options you want, as long as you have the Speak Keyboard Input Aloud enabled and turned on. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.